Watch me turn this forgotten chest into something I'll treasure forever. Woo! Alright y'all, here is the memory box that I thrifted for $12.99. Basically the plan is to redo this because this is broken and it should have a lock. Yeah, this had this thing on it, but it like broke off. And then the next thing we're gonna do is replace these handles because this one is missing a handle. And basically what I did is I got these from Shein. So we're gonna put that on. And then we're also gonna put this on and replace that. Because this one comes with a little key, and then I'll be able to close it. And then here's the other handle for the other side, also from Shein. I've got Papa here. He's gonna help us. What are you doing now?
I'm filling the hole. This needs to be a little bigger, so.
Alright, here it is. New lock, new handles. This DIY is coming along so well, and I'm really excited. The next thing I'm gonna do is line the inside. I love it. Felt like 2 hours later, I finally have the cardboard cutouts. So I have one for my lid and then all of the sides and the bottom. So now I'm gonna go to Fabricland. Right, we're at Fabricland. Let's see what we can find.
Whoa!
Alright, it's literally been like 3 weeks since I've done anything on the craft project with this memory box. I literally went to Canadian Tire the other day. I got the glue. I went to Fabricland, which I filmed. I have all the things, so now I really just need to go do it. And I'm in the season of like, if I have something that I want to do, I want to try, I keep just like putting it off. Like, I'm just gonna do it. Literally just finished this project here with my new like window decor thing, and then also put up my patio decor and things like that. So yeah, this is next on the list. Let's get her done. Okay, so each piece of cardboard is gonna get a piece of the foam backing. I'm gonna cut them out right now. This is the glue I ended up getting from Canadian Tire, so it's Gorilla Spray adhesive, heavy duty. And I also found this random garbage bag that I'm gonna use as my spray surface so that I don't get any glue on the floor. A test for best results to spray both surfaces. All right, so this is how she's looking, all padded up. I'm getting so excited. Okay, now we add the fabric. Okay, I think the idea is to have a little bit more fabric than you need to, so I'm gonna put it like here. Oh wait, I saw a hack. I'm supposed to put little slits in there.
Whoa!
It's actually cute! Wow! Stop! And it stays. Alright, I am really excited to show you guys the final reveal. Without further ado, ta-da! Here's what it looks like. I'm actually so proud of myself. Wow! For finishing touches, I'm just gonna see if I can color match This is literally from Dollarama, and look how good of a job it did. Like, you can't even tell. A couple of things I learned from this project: honestly, done is better than perfect. Someone else's trash, someone else's treasure. Thanks so much for watching this DIY transformation. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Peace and love. Woo!